Hey there guys, it's me, Alex. Today I will be showing you how to make a custom wallpaper like this right here. You will put your own name, whatever you need to put in, so you can see I have quite a few in. So anyways, you're going to want to go search up what your resolution is, so let's start by searching up what is my screen resolution. 1920 by 1200, and then just gonna want to put that in your search and search out wallpaper. Go to images, and let's just find something that you may want. You can make it more specific if you need to, so nature. And if you put your dimensions in, it'll automatically know that you're talking about a wallpaper most of the time. So I think this is a pretty cool photo right here, or this one's a nice one. To make sure that the size is actually 920 or whatever you're looking for in your photo, you're going to want to look right under the name right here. Anyways, once you do that, you're going to want to right click on your photo, save image as. Now save it to your desktop so you can easily access. Make sure it's a JPEG because you're going to want a JPEG. If not, you're going to want to try to put it on all files, or you're going to want to try to find a new photo because I do not know how to go around that. Anyways, once you save it, you're going to want to go into your Photoshop and you can either hit Control O, which will pull up the open screen, or you can go to File, Open, Desktop, or wherever you save it to, but you should save it to desktop, like I said. Find your photo and open. You can usually just click OK and it'll go right past that. Now, next thing you're going to want to do is click T and it'll automatically take you down to text. If it is something different like this or this or this, you're going to want to right click and choose the first one, horizontal type. Once you've done that, click on the photo, type in your name. So I'll just go with Alex. And you don't want to change anything on it yet. So once you have your name in, next thing you can do is change the background. So double click on your text. If you cannot select your text, click T and it should select your text for you. Then double click and choose your color. Then you have your tool, so you can choose one of these background colors. You can choose from over here. I think I'm going to go with grayish. Once you've chosen the color, you're going to want to click check mark. Okay, so select your move tool, Command T or Control T, and hold shift while you do this. Make sure you are holding shift so it stays equivalent. Choose the size that you want and put it in the position you want. Once you do that, hit enter. Now, if you do not like the text, you can go here and change the text by double clicking and choosing whichever text you want. So I could do Fox, but that does not look nice. Terminal, no. For the video, we'll just go with one thing. So we'll choose the cursive and Nanda. You can also download other text or fonts if you need to, but this is a downloaded one, so you won't be able to find this normally. Control, or sorry, not Control. Hit T and select your picture. Now, once you do that, go over to the right to your layers here. Double click on your layer and choose stroke. This is not needed, but I usually prefer it because it's easier to tell what your image says. You can also add drop shadow if you need to. Just mess around with the settings and then you'll find out how to do that part. So now you see that Alex in it. Now you can change the background by double clicking on your first layer that you put in, which is usually your background. Click OK. Now you can go over here, click on that, Command U, and you're going to want to change your saturation I could make it black and white if I really wanted to, or I can just make it darker like this. If you needed to make it black and white, you can do Command Shift U, and that will make it black and white. If you need to take away the black and white, just hit Command or Control Z, and it will take out the black and white to the first thing you originally had. Once you find the preferred saturation, if you did need to change that at all, you're pretty much done with your photo. You can mess around with it anymore if you need to, but I think my photo's done here how it is. So you're going to go to File, Save As, and make sure this file is a JPEG. That's really important. So once you do that, just name it whatever you want, save it to your desktop so you can easily access it. Just go ahead and click OK. Now find the photo that you saved. Mine is right here. Right click and set as desktop background. And now you see the photo. You guys are so very welcome for this tutorial video. I don't know if it helped, but yeah guys. Peace.